Here's a certified 2018 Mercedes-Benz CLS. Sculpted, muscular, aggressive. This amazing luxury four-door coupe is without a doubt a treat for the eyes. The exquisite interior and powerful engine please the rest of your senses. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: integrated navigation system, multi-zone climate control, refrigerated box located in the console, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, twin-turbo V8 engine, four-wheel drive, AM/FM satellite radio, front heated leather bucket seats, height adjustable automatic with driver control suspension, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and automatic transmission. To get the best, get a Mercedes-Benz. Take it for a test drive today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.